In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and feather a mask in Adobe Premiere Pro. First, select your clip in the timeline. This tells Premiere exactly which shot you want to affect, so any changes you make target the right place. With the clip highlighted, head to the Effect Controls panel. This is where all of your clip level adjustments live, and it's the hub for working with masks. Now, choose a mask tool. If you need a basic shape, go with the ellipse mask or the rectangle mask. You'll find these options under the opacity section in Effect Controls. Click one and a shape appears directly on your program monitor. You can drag the shape to position it and use the corner or edge handles to resize it. If your subject doesn't fit neatly into a circle or rectangle, switch to the pen tool. With the pen tool, click to plot points around your subject and drag to create gentle curves. You can always adjust points after placing them, so don't worry about getting it perfect on the first pass. Once your mask is roughly in place, soften its edges using Mask Feather. In Effect Controls, locate the Mask Feather property and increase the value. A range between about 50 and 200 is a solid starting point for most footage. Lower values keep edges sharper, higher values blend the masked area more smoothly into the background. Watch the preview as you adjust. Too much feather can make the subject look hazy, while too little can leave a harsh, cut-out edge. Next, refine the mask size with mask expansion. Positive values push the mask outward to include more area. Negative values pull it inward for a tighter fit. This is especially helpful if a slight halo appears around your subject after feathering. If your subject moves, animate the mask with mask path keyframes. In Effect Controls, set an initial keyframe for mask path at the start of the motion. Move the playhead forward to a point where the subject has shifted, then reposition the mask or its points. Premiere automatically creates new keyframes and interpolates the movement between them. Step through the clip, adding adjustments wherever needed, and play it back to confirm the mask follows cleanly. That's it. By selecting your clip, choosing the right mask tool, feathering for a natural blend, refining with expansion, and animating the mask path when necessary, you'll get professional, seamless results. Take your time, preview often, and fine-tune until the edges look smooth and the subject